What's up guys, so I'll be showing you guys how to use auto action here in Clip Studio Paint. So first of all, what you want to do is go over to the auto action panel. If you don't see it here, what you want to do is go over to Windows and come down here to auto actions and then click on that. Then you're going to see the auto actions panel. So I'm going to undock the auto actions panel and then I'll be creating a new set. So here I'm going to show you guys how to create an auto action like copy and paste. So first of all, what you want to do is go down here and create a new action. Click on that and then I'll call it copy and paste. So how this works is you're going to click this record button here. Once you click the record button, then you perform the action that you want and then you save it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll click on record button right now. So and I'm going to copy this layer and paste it. So I'll go over to edit, copy. You can also use Ctrl C, and as you can see here, it has indicated that I've used copy. And then I'll go over to edit again and click paste. So now after this, you can stop the recording. And as you can see here, it has created a new layer. So what you want to do here is, let's say, let me create a new layer, or I could just use this one, create a new layer and name it whatever. And then what I'll do is click this play button. Once I click this play button, it will perform the actions that I just did right now. So here's it. As you can see, it has created a new copy of the same layer. So you can also use this for other stuffs, like maybe increasing your line width, or maybe creating layer masks or something like that. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.